Hello, good evening. This is a demo for this ticket. Creates sounds feedback when user selection is provided. Then it has this goal. There should be a sound and color change or feedback when user use selection. Then it has a acceptance criteria. So it says when there is a sound when user pressed a button. When there is a design change when user pressed a button. Um, about design change, since we don't have the design yet, so I cannot specify that functionality for now. But in my case, I just added a samples of the change. So for example, this one, when I click the winding, so it has change minor change in the color. So just a sample only. So let's proceed with the demo. So this is the title, creates sound feedback when user selection is provided. And I added the test expectation, which is when enable an audio feedback should play depending on action taken. Audio feedback should be accessible in button, items, and other elements. Actually, we can apply this functionality in all elements because I just created a callable functions and class, which is you can apply in any element. Then I have uh, I have listed a trigger buttons with with description for the sake of testing only. So as you can see also, I have added a audio feedback button, which is it toggles the audio feedback functionality, but it is not part of the task actually. I only use this during development. So never mind this functionality. I only use this for development only. Then, but anyway, if during development, if someone will help me during development, you can also use this one. I just You can just call this method or add this class to the element, and the functionality will be triggered. Then for the warning audio, for example, if we have a warning in the system, good example is when the NFC card reader was not detected in the hardware. So we can show a pop-up warning and play this audio. By the way, regarding on the audio that I'm being used, we can change that one if you have some suggestions. Just send me the MP3 version and we can just change anytime. Then for the info audio, it provides informative audio effects. So for example, when you when we show something a it contains information or something informative in the screen, then it required an audio effect. We can just play this one. Then you can activate this one by calling this method or by adding this class in the element. Then and the most common and required is the pressing of button. So this one. As of now, this is the sound effect I'm using because it is common. It was commonly being used, and you can call this method to activate the functionality, or you can also use the class instead. For the pressing of the button, if you have some suggestion for the audio, we can change that one anytime. Then for the next functionality, we need to consider that in the near future, we can have features that the content is dynamic. For example, less of product, which is the name of the product are dynamic from database. So of course we cannot predict that one. So this functionality enable the text to speech functionality. So for example, if you click that one,
with context.
it will read the label. Then actually it does not read the label. I specify a attributes in the element. This one, you need to provide the value of this data TTS. It means text to speech, speak. Then you need to add this class also to activate this one. Or your another option is to call this function and provide the text instead. So that's the second option. Just to show the examples, I will show it in the code. So for example, this one, so I add the audio effect TTS and the attribute data TTS spec. So that's how it works. Then for the button, so I add the class audio effect button warning. So it will trigger the functionality. So you don't need to create a JavaScript function to activate that one. It is now available. Then for the examples of other element, I created a two card of product, which is never mind the design. It is just a sample. So I added the photos and name of the product and its
뜨거운 커피 1,500원.
sample.
카페라떼 1,250원.
So how it works is I'll just show it in the wait. Okay. So this is the class that triggers the functionality audio effect TTS. Then you need to provide the attribute data TTS pick, and this is the name of the product and the price. So we need to implement that one to trigger the text to speech in each element. So so far that's the update of this, and if you have some suggestion, we can just update this one. And actually I have an update on this, but it is from different branch, so I will just create a separate video for the NFC smart card reader. So I think that's it. Thank you.